Many of us spend a good portion of our lives in front of a computer monitor. The best gaming chairs should provide long-term comfort, with an ergonomic design and support to make both work and gameplay more enjoyable. We've spent years researching and testing the best gaming chairs on the market. There are numerous options for cheap gaming chair, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable gaming chair from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AK Racing Core Series EX. It's all in the name. The AK Racing Core EX gaming chair looks like a bucket seat in a race car, not something you'd see behind an IKEA desk. But unlike some of the other gaming chairs we tested, the quality doesn't just stop at aesthetics. This was one of the most comfortable chairs that we tested, and one of only 3 that our tester considered buying. The AK Racing Core EX has just about every adjustability option that you need to find a comfortable fit. Height-adjustable and removable neck and lumbar support pillows keep your spine aligned with enough softness that they cradle your body instead of pushing against it. The separate recline and tilting functions give a much wider range of sitting options than either can alone. For those who work leaned forward, this chair provides quality lumbar and neck support because it comes up to 90 degrees. When it's time to game, you can recline somewhat. When the football game comes on, you could recline even further and tilt back far enough to comfortably get your feet up on the desk. The armrests are likewise adjustable in almost every direction. They move forward and backward, up and down, and can swivel in and out. The chair even has bolts on the bottom that allow you to slide them left and right to tighten them to your body. The only real issue with this chair was the fabric that comes with the baseline model. There's nothing wrong with it, as it's high quality and almost as easy to clean as the PU or PVC leather chairs. However, it definitely warms up while sitting in it. It holds on to more of your body heat than the faux leather upholsteries do. On a 90-plus degree day, it could get uncomfortable quickly. That said, AK Racing makes plenty of chairs with more breathable PU leather upholstery. A sizing chart available on their website will help ensure that you get a chair that will fit your body type. The AK Racing Core EX is a high-quality, comfortable chair at an upper mid-range price point that our tester kept using long after testing. Number 2. Hummel Gaming Chair. As the second least expensive option that we tested, the Hummel PC gaming chair was a pleasant surprise. While certainly not perfect, it was comfortable, with many of the adjustability options offered by some of the higher-priced gaming chairs. The recline was deep and stable, with the added benefit of the tilt feature. The recline comes all the way up to 90 degrees, supporting users even when leaned forward with their back against the neck and lumbar supports. The lumbar and neck support pillows broke in over the course of about an hour and settled into a reasonably comfortable position. The biggest knock against this chair is that the arms are not adjustable at all. They aren't placed well, preventing our tester from dropping their elbows into a natural typing position. At the natural height for the chair, the armrests hit the top of the test desk and couldn't slide under the desk at all without lowering it to a less optimal height. At the price point, this is a solid choice, and overall, it was quite comfortable. There are just a few minor inconveniences that keep it from the top. Number 3. Vertigear SL5800. Vertigear has come about as close to perfection as one can with their SL5800 gaming chair. This is the most comfortable chair that we tested out of the box, and that comfort only increased the longer we used and broke it in. It has all the adjustability options that you'd come to expect from a chair at this price point, including 4D armrests, well-balanced tilt and recline functions, and a quality neck pillow. The only option missing when compared to other top-tier chairs is adjustable lumbar support. However, the fixed support on the SL5800 is more comfortable than either of those, even without any adjustability. The backrest is constructed from a mix of memory foam and TPE lumbar support modules. These are flexible plastic cups built into the lumbar section of the backrest that form to the contours of your lower back, providing all the support that you need while also giving enough cushion for maximum comfort. Everything else about the chair is similarly excellent. The PVC leather upholstery is comfortable and durable, wrapped around a solid metal frame. The wheels glide well across different floor types, and all the adjustment handles are accessible and easy to use. Even the assembly stood apart from other chairs we have tested, only taking 10 minutes to put together. Vertigear nailed every detail when designing this chair. It's comfortable, durable, and stylish. We always recommend trying a chair before you buy it, but if you're going to purchase something sight unseen, then the Vertigear SL5800 is the one to gamble on. Number 4. Razor Isker. Lumbar support is one of the most important comfort features in any chair, and the Razor Isker has one of the best systems we've tested. The built-in lumbar support is adjustable and pushes in and out about 6 inches with the pull of a lever. This changes the pressure on your back, letting you adjust as needed to find the most supportive position for you. Whether working or after long gaming sessions, this adjustable lumbar support keeps your posture straight and backaches at bay. The Razor Isker also features all of the other adjustability options that you would expect from a chair at the $400 to $500 price point. The armrests move in and out, up and down, and tilt horizontally, so they can fall wherever your elbows need them. The chair also tilts and reclines, essential features in a good gaming chair. There are a few surprising quality-of-life features that are missing, however, particularly around assembly, which can be frustrating. We gave up on installing one of the hinge covers because it was so difficult to get the screw aligned with the proper hole. However, assembly still only takes about 30 minutes, and once it's put together, it works wonderfully. This is a stylish and functional gaming chair made of high-quality, durable materials with several design options available to fit your particular aesthetic. It's a perfect addition to any office or gaming setup. Number 5. GT Racing Pro Series GT099. This is a chair that improved over time. On first use, everything was stiff and uncomfortable. Our testers' legs kept falling asleep, and they couldn't find a comfortable position. But over the course of about an hour, everything softened up and got better. Never truly comfortable, but workable. Sitting in it for 6 to 10 hours isn't recommended, but if you're looking for something for an hour or 2 sessions at a time, this could be a good option. It also happens to be one of the lowest-priced gaming chairs we tested. The GT Racing Pro Series features all of the major adjustability options. It has movable and removable neck and lumbar supports, separate tilt and recline, arms that go in and out as well as up and down, and a solid range of height options. The fabric is durable and easy enough to clean, and while the base and wheels are made of plastic, they seem to be of decent quality. This is one of those solid, middle-of-the-road budget options. This wasn't a particularly comfortable chair, but it wasn't actively uncomfortable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.